Beading Workshop, a colorful journey in craftsmanship. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and creative topic, beading workshops. If you love crafts, colors, and hands-on activities, this video is for you. We'll dive into what beading workshops are, why they're important, and how they can enhance your English language skills, especially in understanding specific phrases and cultural contexts. Let's get started. Beading refers to the art of creating designs with small beads. These beads can be made of glass, metal, wood, or other materials. A workshop, in this context, is a class or a session where people gather to learn and practice a skill. So, a beading workshop is a class where people come together to learn and practice the art of beading. It's not just about threading beads. It's about creativity, precision, and cultural expression. Beading workshops are more than just a place to learn a craft. They are a space for cultural exchange and creative expression. In many cultures, beading is a traditional art form, carrying historical significance. By participating in a beading workshop, learners can understand the cultural context behind the craft. Moreover, it's a great opportunity for language practice, as participants often follow instructions, discuss designs, and share stories in English. In this section, let's look at some common phrases and vocabulary you might encounter in a beading workshop. Stringing beads, the act of putting beads on a string. Patterns and designs, referring to the arrangement of beads to create a specific look. Tools and techniques, learning about the different tools, like needles, threads, pliers, and techniques used in beading. Craftsmanship, the skill and art involved in creating beadwork. Now, let's visualize a beading workshop. Imagine a room filled with colorful beads, tools, and enthusiastic learners. The instructor guides the participants, showing them different techniques. Everyone is engaged, asking questions, and creating their own unique pieces. This section could include a demonstration video or images of a beading workshop to give learners a real feel of the environment. I hope this video has given you a colorful glimpse into the world of beading workshops. Not only do they offer a chance to learn a beautiful craft, but they also provide a rich opportunity for cultural learning and language practice. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about understanding contexts and cultures. Keep exploring and happy beading!